Hey everyone, I just want to sit down and talk about something real today. Depression, anxiety, overthinking. Kasi honestly, ang dami na sa atin ngayon ang dumadaan dito. And sometimes, it feels like you're alone, even when you're not. I'll be honest, I've been there. I'm the type of person na overthinking talaga or na overthinker talaga. Yung tipong kahit maliit na bagay, napapalaki ko sa isip ko. And there were nights na hirap akong matulog. My mind just wouldn't stop. Ang daming what ifs, ang daming worries, ang daming doubts. And during those times, parang ang bigat. Even if wala ka naman pinapakita sa ibang tao. And if you're feeling that right now, I just want you to know, valid yan. Hindi ka mahina. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Minsan, hindi mo kailangan maging strong all the time. Minsan, okay lang mapagod. Okay lang umiyak. Okay lang din mag-pause. But, here's what I realized. Hindi habang buhay ganito. This is just a phase. Hindi ibig sabihin na dahil ganito ka ngayon, ganito ka na forever. Because I've experienced it, and slowly, I was able to get through it. Hindi siya biglaan, actually. Hindi siya isang araw lang okay na, or okay ka na. There's still moments na bumabalik. There's still days na mahirap. Pero what changed for me is my mindset. Yung pananaw ko sa buhay. So instead of letting my thoughts control me, I started choosing what I focus on. Little by little, day by day. Minsan, ang ginagawa ko lang is huminga. Take a step back. And remind myself, hindi lahat ng iniisip ko totoo. And that helped a lot. So, if you're struggling right now, please don't give up on yourself. You may feel stuck, but you're actually moving forward. Kahit hindi mo napapansin, healing isn't linear. Hindi siya straight line. May ups, may downs, pero that's part of it. You are stronger than your thoughts. You are more than your anxiety. And your story doesn't end in this chapter. So take your time. Be kind to yourself and believe that better days are coming. Because they will. And if I made it through, I believe you can too. You're not alone in this. We are in this together. And if this helped you even a little, feel free to share. Kasi baka may makatulong din sa iba. And yeah, see you in the next vlog. Thank you!